The continuation of the previous video where we created a project. Now we're going to learn how to open a project. So you can see I have the project open. So let's go up to the main menu here. Let's go to File, and I'm going to close this project just so that we go back to the welcome page. Okay, and if it closes out like it did, then we'll just open up After Effects right from the Creative Cloud Web. I'm going to hit Open. And then I'm going to reload the software here. And then we'll go to Open Project on the welcome page. And then we'll go to our option to select a project. So I'm going to click Open Project. And it's automatically where I need it to be, but I want you to kind of find it where you saved it. So let's go to Desktop, and I'm going to go to After Effects. And then I'm going to click on Untitled Project. Okay. So now we have the project file open. Okay. So there you go. Now what I want you to do before we go is I want you to close the project. So let's go to File and let's close. Okay. And then we're going to do File, Close again. Okay, I don't know why it's doing that. And then let's do Close Project. Let's just close the software down again, and then we'll open it up. And then I want to leave it on the home page so that in the next video we can talk about the home page. Okay. After Effects is not cooperating with me today. It is. There we go. All right. So with that, that's how you open a project. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.